The Philippines is in the midst of a brutal war on drugs sanctioned by the controversial President Rodrigo Duterte, which has seen almost 2,000 killings in a matter of weeks. The BBC's Jonathan Head explores the country's dark underbelly of dealers and assassins through the story of one woman trapped in a chilling predicament. When you meet an assassin who has killed 6 people, you don't expect to encounter a diminutive, nervous young woman carrying a baby. My first job was 2 years ago in this province nearby. I felt really scared and nervous because it was my first time. Image copyright Carlo Gabuco Maria, not her real name, now carries out contract killings as part of the government-sanctioned war on drugs. She is part of a hit team that includes 3 women, who are valued because they can get close to their victims without arousing the same suspicion a man would. Since President Duterte was elected, and urged citizens and police to kill drug dealers who resisted arrest, Maria has killed 5 more people, shooting them all in the head. Media caption Inside Manila's drug war, female assassin's story. I asked her who gave the orders for these assassinations. Our boss, the police officer, she said. On the very afternoon we met, she and her husband had been told their safe house had been exposed. They were moving in a hurry. This controversial drug war has brought her more work, but more risk too. She described how it began when her husband was commissioned to kill a debtor by a policeman, one who was also a drug pusher. Image copyright Carlo Gabuco. My husband was ordered to kill people who had not paid what they owed.